Australia's Treasurer Josh Frydenberg was tested for COVID-19 disease after he repeatedly coughed while addressing his colleagues in the Australian Parliament. Josh was speaking in the Aussie Parliament on the impact of COVID-19 and its economic fallout. Treasurer Frydenberg was giving his speech at the Parliament and was addressing issues concerning the economy when he suffered severe cough. He was immediately assisted with the medical care and was advised by the Deputy Chief Medical Officer to get himself COVID-19 tested. Later, Frydenberg was moved into isolation and is expected to get his results by the 13th of May. This test will be Treasurer Frydenberg's second, as he was tested previously for coronavirus after returning from an overseas trip. Peter Dutton, Home Minister, is the only senior member of the Australian government to have tested positive after his return from Washington in early March. Addressing the Parliament, Frydenberg said that the country was facing a quote-unquote sobering economic outlook due to the effects of coronavirus pandemic. Experts have predicted a fall of 10% in the country GDP, and the country is also likely to have its largest ever deficit this year. As of now, the lethal coronavirus has infected more than 6,790 and has killed around 95 people in Australia. A total of 6,213 have made successful recovery, and a little more than 600 patients are currently under hospital care.